Allstar Energy Solutions was proud to be engaged by the Victorian School Building Authority, appointed building contractor, to undertake the design, supply and installation of a solar power system for this Melbourne landmark education complex. Allstar has successfully managed the on-time delivery of this time-critical project with multiple parties involved in the building's planning and construction phase. The system was designed with custom structural engineering to ensure the array can withstand the wind load at a high level above the ground. Why not contact Allstar Energy Solutions today on 1300 794 005 or visit allstarenergy.com.au.